Prompt engineering versus context engineering. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is a relatively recent discipline that focuses on designing and optimizing prompts for optimal usage of language models, LLMs, in a wide range of applications and research topics. Prompt engineering skills can help you better comprehend the strengths and limitations of large language models, LLMs. Researchers use prompt engineering to increase LLMs' performance on a variety of common and complex tasks, including question answering and arithmetic reasoning. Developers use prompt engineering to create strong and effective prompting techniques that interface with LLMs and other tools. Prompt engineering is more than just designing and developing prompts. It includes a diverse set of skills and techniques for interacting and developing with LLMs. It is essential to be able to interface, work with, and understand the capabilities of LLMs. You can use prompt engineering to improve the safety of LLMs and develop more capabilities, such as augmenting LLMs with domain knowledge and external tools. What is context engineering? Context engineering is the method of designing systems that determine what information an AI model sees before generating a response. Even though the term is new, the principles underlying context engineering have been around for a while. This new abstraction enables us to reason about the most pressing and ever-present issue, creating the information flow that goes in and out of AI systems. Instead of writing perfect prompts for individual requests, you build systems that collect relevant information from multiple sources and organize it in the model's context window. This means your system collects chat history, user data, external documents, and available tools, then formats them so the model can use them. Context engineering is the next stage of AI development, in which the emphasis shifts from creating perfect prompts to developing systems that manage information flow across time. The ability to keep relevant information across multiple interaction impacts whether your AI seems intelligent or simply provides good one-time responses. Prompt engineering versus context engineering. Definition. Prompt engineering is like crafting clever, often one-shot prompts to guide model output. Context engineering is designing the entire environment or mental model the LLM operates within. Scope. Prompt engineering focuses on crafting an effective prompt string, such as phrasing the user's request and instructions clearly to guide the model, often a one-off that addresses what to say to the model at a moment in time. Context engineering considers what the model knows and why it should care rather than simply changing the wording of a single prompt. Context engineering takes into account the entire interaction, including whether the information should be included before and after the primary instruction, how to incorporate memory from previous turns, and how to format retrieved facts, among other factors. Mindset required. Prompt engineering think like a copywriter or instructional designer. Context engineering think like a systems architect or software engineer. Purpose and use cases. Prompt engineering is used for quick outputs like demos, friendly tone blogs, and code generation. Context engineering is suited for persistent memory use cases such as multi-turn conversations, production LLMs, and customer support bots. Examples. Prompt engineering is like writing in a Shakespearean tone or generating a Python function. Context engineering is configuring LLMs to remember user preferences or company policies across sessions. Longevity. Prompt engineering is local and temporary that is valid for a single prompt. Context engineering is global and persistent, spans multiple turns and maintains session consistency. Outcome orientation. Prompt engineering aims to get a good first answer. Context engineering ensures the 100th answer is as accurate and coherent as the first. Nature. Prompt engineering is more like wordplay, tweak wording, formatting, tone, and examples. Context engineering includes a true engineering task: manage what, how, and when the model sees information. Interaction. Prompts exist inside the context window and rely on it for stability. In context engineering, a well-designed context enhances prompt reliability and model effectiveness. Common failures. Prompt engineering include wrong tone, ignored instructions, or wasted time tweaking prompts. Context engineering includes forgotten information, noisy prompts, tool failures, or misleading outputs. Relation. Prompt engineering is a subset of context engineering. Context engineering includes prompt design, memory, tools, and constraints management. Focus. Prompt engineering immediate instructions like U or X, do Y like Z. Context engineering includes broader session-level design involving system prompts, tools, memory, and the entire context window. Scalability. Prompt engineering is one-off experiments or single outputs. Context engineering supports building scalable, reliable LLM systems. Token optimization. In prompt engineering, less emphasis on efficiency. Context engineering focuses on latency, token limits, and cost. Importance. Prompt engineering is useful for quick wins and smart hacks. Context engineering is essential for real-world applications, needing long-term and scalable solutions.